Hello again. Welcome back to Aegis Armors. My name is Frank. Today we're going to take a look at this beautiful 2020 Shelby GT500. What a beautiful car. It's hard to believe that the Mustang has come this far. This car was in really good shape. The owner takes really good care of it. So a lot of it was just buffing for us to increase the gloss before we applied our Aegis Armors ceramic coating. We did have a couple heavy scratches that we were able to remove mostly. There was one in particular that we couldn't get all the way out. One thing I can say about this car, compared to most new cars, this car had a lot of paint on it. Used to be back in the day, 2014 and earlier, we'd see an average of anywhere from 5 to 8 mil of thickness on a stock paint job. Lately, most of the vehicles have been coming in that are 19 or 18 or 19 or newer. We're seeing as low as 2.7 mil total thickness and as high as about 3.5, which presents some problems as somebody that's doing paint correction. Because at the end of the day, paint correction is removing a little bit of the clear coat where the scratches are. This vehicle, we were lucky it had between 8.5 to 9.5 mil all the way around, which made it really easy for us to do a lot of work on it and get a high shine. Once the paint and wheels were finished, we applied our Aegis Armors ceramic glass coating to the front and side windows as well as the rear window. One of the things that people don't realize with these rear louvers, a lot of water gets trapped under them. When we removed the louvers, there was heavy water spotting, so we had to remove that. So they'll have great visibility now out the back. Once we finished all the polishing, we applied our Aegis Armors 5-year ceramic heavy-duty coating to all the exterior paint and door jambs. We did the side window louvers and rear louver as well. After that, we removed the wheels, cleaned the brakes thoroughly, applied our Aegis Armors wheel and brake coating. You can see it really brightens up those Brembo calipers, makes them really noticeable. It'll make these wheels a lot easier to keep clean now as well, especially on these massive front brakes. The only coating that we use that is not an Aegis Armors coating is the Cerakote ceramic trim coating. We do that on all the matte plastics that are not painted. The rockers, the front lip, and the rear valance. That coating lasts up to 200 washes. And the final touch on the vehicle was the application of Aegis Armors Black Widow tire shine. It's a no-sling tire shine. One application typically lasts about 4 to 5 weeks, even with a couple washes thrown in. So if you have a vehicle, new or old, and you want to have it looking like this and make it super easy to clean, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We're typically booked out about 3 to 4 weeks, but if you give us a call or stop by, we can take a look at the car, give you a free assessment, let you know the cost and the amount of time it'll take to do it. Have a great day. Okay, what we talk about with every video on every vehicle is how to wash them and maintain them. Every couple of weeks, you'll take a pressure washer, you'll rinse the vehicle off. You use our Aegis Armor Foam Fury or Spectrum, which is ceramic-based soap. You'll apply these with a foam cannon, let it sit for about a minute, rinse it off, and then take a leaf blower and dry the vehicle. No touch, no scratch. About once every 2 to 3 months, you'll do a physical 2-bucket hand wash in the vehicle using grit guards, of course, in your buckets. After that is when you'll use our Aegis Armor Renew product. And this product is designed to basically maintenance and boost the ceramic on the vehicle. It's the only thing you'll need to use on the vehicle after it has the ceramic coating put on it. It can be used on the glass, the wheels, or the paint. We've also got some other do-it-yourself products if anybody's interested in doing those. One of the things we get out with every vehicle that we do is a guide that has a quick do and don't, whether they're going through a car wash or doing a hand wash. So if you have any questions, give us a call, 336-570-9790. We'll be more than happy to answer your questions. If you're looking to get